we just got a contract for a major account down on the south side, and we asked them what was one of the deciding factors, and they told us that they really loved that we had drones. It's a life science facility, and life sciences are now, they're a little over the top with cycle counting, as they should be. And so we use them for cycle counts. Customer benefits would be like sometimes they'll call us and ask us for, hey, can you send us an inventory check and a picture of what we got going on of these pallet locations? And we can do that ad hoc. Or they'll say, can we do a cycle count of this item? And we can do that for them as well. And so we get those requests a lot now. The biggest benefit now is we include this as a SLA to customers, so we don't charge it as an extra fee. The only extra fee that we charge now is just if they ask us to do an extra cycle count or send them some pictures or things like that. So that's been a huge benefit for customers as we onboard new customers and potential new bids.